Hello, today I'm in Honda HR-V. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, you can use it in mist mode by pressing it upwards. And it means that they are going to work very slow. Next, you can set it to auto mode. And also you can adjust auto mode by twisting this button, this middle part of the lever. Next you can enable it in low mode, and in the end in high mode. And that's it. To disable it, set it to off position. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.